Introducing Pedigos 7500 NE Stretcher, designed specifically for eye, head, and neck surgery. Our specialty surgical stretcher is equipped with unique features like adjustable side rails that lock into place at any height, an electric fowler, and a movable headrest for optimum placement, which makes it ideal for ENT and ophthalmology procedures. Like all Pedigos stretchers, the NE stretcher offers accessible foot pedals for quick and easy adjustability and transport, a steel center column support for maximum stability, hand-operated levers for Trendelenburg and reverse Trendelenburg, and a quick-release O2 tank ergonomically placed in the patient's zone of care. Our 7500 NE stretcher is fully height adjustable to allow for sufficient surgical access and convenient patient positioning. It includes a comfortable 4-inch premium mattress and can be adjusted for patient recovery. To raise the legs, locate the red lever at the foot of the bed and pump until you reach the height needed. To lower the patient's legs, lift up on the red release handle and lower back to a neutral position. The electric back fowler eliminates the need for manual lifting and allows for easy patient positioning by pressing the buttons located at the foot end of the bed. The 7500 NE stretcher side rails are uniquely designed to lock into place at any height to allow for more access to the patient while still maintaining their safety. In order to operate, lift and hold the red handle located on the side rail in order to adjust as needed. Then, release the handle to lock the side rails in place. Designed with easy transport in mind, this Pedigos eye stretcher has ergonomically placed push handles at the head end of the bed and sixth wheel steering. It can also hold up to a 750-pound weight capacity. The dual articulating headrest can be adjusted into any position by using two buttons located on the bottom of the headrest. The bottom button adjusts the neck vertically up or down. The top button moves the headrest for angular positioning. Our modular headpiece makes it easy to customize the head and neck rest for patient comfort and optimum positioning. Fully customize your Pedigos stretcher with over 30 accessories, such as a wrist rest for support during eye surgery and a headrest extension designed for patient recovery. Pedigos 7500 NE stretcher is simple, safe, and effective, offering distinct features for your eye, head, and neck surgeries. Visit pedigosusa.com for more information.